Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present to you about techniques of differentiation. But before that, let me introduce our team members. We are from program code CDCS 110 and our course is A4 CDCS 1102C. This presentation is prepared for Madam Anissa Abdul Rahman. Okay, firstly, my name is Muhammad Nurifan Hakimi bin Suhairi. I am the leader of this group, and we also have Muhammad Adam bin Azhar. We have Amir Hanif, and also we have Azrif bin Azhar. So, without wasting any more time, let's get right to it.
So let's move on to the first question. The question is explain the meaning of differentiation and what are the techniques of differentiation. So differentiation is a concept from calculus that deals with how a quantity changes. So it is the process of finding the derivative of a function. So it will tell you the rate of change or the slope of a function at any given point. So differentiation involves various techniques. So the first one is power rule, n minus 1. Next we have constant rule, every constant will equal to 0. Next we have linear. Then we have sum and differences, the subtraction and addition as usual. Then we have product rule. So U is the front number, then V is the back, at the back. Next, we have to find U prime and V prime. So we need to differentiate U and V. Next we have quotient rule. So we have to find U and V first. U is at the numerator and V is at the numerator. So we just apply the differentiation and apply the formula. Next we have trigonometric function. So we need to differentiate sin x, then we get cos x, then we differentiate this one and we get 2. Then we bring the 2 in front and we get 2 cos 2x. Next we have exponential function. You need to differentiate the power and then we get 5 and you multiply the 5 to in front and you will get 5e power of 5x plus 5. Next we have logarithmic function. We get ln, you differentiate ln, you will get 1 over x. Then solve as usual. Next we have chain rules, so we need to bring 4 in the front, we get 4, 5x plus 3. Then we need to minus 1 this power, we get 3, and differentiate this number and we get 5 plus 0. Then we will multiply 4 and 5, you get 20, and just copy this one. So the last one we got implicit differentiation. So we have two variables here, which is x and y. So we have combination of trigonometric, exponential, and polynomial. So if you want to differentiate y, you will get dy over dx. Then you will solve the question as usual.
Okay, for
Next.
question 2, find dy over dx for the following function. 2a, 3x squared second x plus 2. So, we let u as 3x squared and u prime will be 6x. And for v, we let second x plus 2. For v prime, we got second x plus 2 and tangent x plus 2. Because if second, we differentiate the second, we got second x and tangent x. So, we multiply by 1 and you will got second x plus 2, tangent x plus 2. So, we apply to the formula which is u v prime plus v u prime. So just fill in the blank 3x squared second x plus 2 tangent x plus 2 and plus second x plus 2 and 6x. So you simplify this line and you will get 3x squared second x plus 2 tangent x plus 2 plus 6x second x plus 2. For question B, we have y equivalent to 4x plus 2 over cos x. So this is a quotient rule. So we also do the same. Let u 4x plus 2. U will be in the numerator and v will be the denominator. So let u 4x plus 2, u prime will be 4. Let v equivalent to cos x. V prime, you will get negative sin x. So apply in the formula. The formula for quotient rule is v u prime minus u v prime over v square. Okay, so fill in the blank also. Cos x 4 minus 4x plus 2 negative sin x over cos x square. So also the same, simplify, you will get 4 cos x plus 4x plus 2 sin x over cos x square.
Hi, my name is Ame. Question 3. Given y ln 3x minus exponential the power of 2x plus 1 minus tangent for y equals to 0. Find dy over dx using implicit differentiation. For the first step, you have to apply product rule for the first expression, which is you have to let u becomes y and let v becomes ln 3x for the first expression. If you differentiate y, you will get dy over dx. And then for the ln 3x, if you differentiate ln 3x, you will get ln over 3x multiplied by 3. If you simplify it, you will get 1 over x. And then you have to apply the product rule formula, which is u v prime plus vu prime. If you apply it, you will get u is y multiplied by v prime, which is 1 over x plus ln 3x, which is v, and u prime, which is dy over dx. If you simplify it, you will get y over x plus dy over dx ln 3x. For the next expression, which is exponential the power of 2x plus 1, if you differentiate it, you will get 2 and multiply it and bring to the front and multiply it, you will get 2 exponential the power of 2x plus 1. Moving on, for tangent for y, the next expression, which is tangent for y, if you differentiate, you will get second square for y. If you differentiate for y, you will get 4 multiply dy over dx. And then you will have to bring it to the front and multiply it with second square and for y. For the last part, you will have to apply all the expressions that you differentiate in the y ln 3x minus exponential 2x plus 1 minus tangent for y equals to 0. If you apply it, you will get y over x plus dy over dx ln 3x, which is y ln 3x. And the second expression will be 2 exponential the power of 2x plus 1 minus 4 dy over dx second square and 4y equals to 0. For the next step, you have to group the expression that multiply by dy over dx, so dy over dx can be the title. And then bring 2e on the power of 2x plus 1 minus y over x that did not multiply by dy over dx to the right. And then you have to bring the group of exponential that multiply by dy over dx, bring it to the right, and it will become divide. And then the final answer will be 2 exponential the power of 2x plus 1 minus y over x divided by ln 3x minus 4 second square and 4y. That's all.
Hi, my name is Mama Adam. Right now we want to solve a question 4. For question 4, you want to use linear explanation to estimate the value of root 4, 18.99 minus 2 over square root 18.99. Correct the 3 decimal place. For this, we have to search s. So s we just take from the root is 18.99. For s sub 0, we just get the nearest 18.99 is 81. And after we get that, we have to search a delta s. So delta s equivalent s minus s sub 0. So 18.99 minus 81. So become negative 0.01. We have to find f s sub 0 is equivalent with root of 4. Change it 18.99 become 80 s sub 0. And negative with 2 over root s sub 0. So s sub 0 we change it, we get it 81. So f 81 is equivalent with root of 4, 81 minus 2 over square root 81 become 3 negative 2 over 9 become 25 over 9. After that, we have to differentiate. If it's a f prime at 0 sub 0 equivalent with x root change to a power, so it become s sub 0 power of 1 over 4 minus 2 s sub 0 power of negative 1 over 2. After that, 1 over 4 take to the front to become 1 over 4 at 0. 1 over 4 minus 1 become negative 3 over 4. Negative 1 over 2 multiply with 2 becomes 1. So at 0, negative 1 over 2 minus 1 become power of negative 3 over 2. And we change it back to the root. It's a 1 over 4 for roots s sub 0 power of 3 minus 1 over square root s sub 0 power of 3. So s sub 0 change it to its value is 81. So f prime 81 equivalent with 1 over 4 root of 4 81 power of 3 minus 1 over square root 81 power of 3. And calculate to become 1 over 4 7. We calculate from root of 4 81 power of 3 to become 27 minus 1 over 729. So after we calculate 4 multiply with 27 become 1 over 108. And this we take the become negative 1 over 729. We calculate, we get a 23 over 2916. After that, we bring the formula. So f bracket s sub 0 plus delta s equivalent with f s0 plus f prime s0 delta s. F s sub 0 become 25 over 9. F prime s sub 0 become 23 over 2916, and delta s become negative 0.01. And the final we calculate of this final answer is 2.778. That's all from me.
Okay, that's all for conclusion. The assessment focus on technique of differentiation through that's the question that we have talked about. We can learn the meaning of technique of derivative differentiation that we can apply to solve daily problem. We also have the ability to compute derivative using explicit and implicit method, and skill in applying linear approximation for estimation. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.